Joyce, this weekend you had both Congressman Schiff and Congresswoman Cheney indicating that their committee will likely make criminal referrals to DOJ. I wonder both what you make of that and your sense of the kind of pressure that could put on DOJ to complete its probe to make charges.
You know, DOJ is remarkably immune to external pressures for institutional reasons. It's almost as though if someone makes an effort to pressure DOJ, the lean inside of the building is to resist the pressure and almost to overreact to it. But here, DOJ is clearly already engaged in its own wide-ranging investigation into January 6th. They were slow off the mark, Alicia. For the first year that Merrick Garland was the Attorney General, we saw very little, if any, signs of investigation. Now we're seeing what happens when you're engaged in a very robust grand jury investigation. We see lots of signs of witnesses being subpoenaed. We're told more than 40 subpoenas have gone out. Phones have been seized. That investigation proceeds apace. And one of the downsides of a congressional referral is that it would possibly make any ultimate sort of indictment have a little bit of a political tinge to it. But here, where you have the former president who will turn anything into a political sideshow, claiming that it's a witch hunt, perhaps it simply shows that two branches of government both believe that there is evidence to proceed if that's where DOJ heads.
Charlie, given Joyce's assessment, it strikes me that the New York Times is reporting that the Justice Department is a long way from wrapping up its January 6th investigation. Your sense of the timeline prosecutors are following?
I didn't write that story, but I agree with it. And the 40 subpoenas that Joyce just referenced came in a flurry a couple weeks ago in the span of 1 week. Those were, I mean, there may be more, you know, people chatter or their lawyers do or whoever about receiving these things or having heard about it, but we don't have a complete picture of it. Obviously, the Justice Department is not talking about it. And so we have, those were all the people who are getting closer into Trump's circle, Trump's advisors. It's clear that they're interested in the fake electors scheme. It's clear that they're interested, or it appears clear based on who they're subpoenaing, that they're interested in the raising of money for the so-called Save America Pact, where Republicans were being asked to donate to overturn election fraud and what actually happened to that money that just poured into Donald Trump's coffers. All of that shows that they still have a lot of facts to gather. They have a lot of people. Just because people have received a subpoena doesn't mean they've talked yet. We think that there's a behind-the-scenes battle going on about executive privilege and to what extent witnesses can decline to answer questions because Trump told them to about his own presidential communications. That all that adds up to they have a long way to go. They're still gathering tons of information. They know what they don't know, and in some cases maybe they don't know what they don't know yet, but they might stumble across it later. This is not on a timeline to wrap up in the next few weeks for sure, and probably the next few months.